Hey girls, I've got the hair colony group. Where is this Morgan horse Palomino thing? It's a horse, Aaron. I knew that. Okay, she's over there. That's her. Yes, isn't she just so pretty? Yeah, she is really pretty. Right, I'm gonna go see if I can get her now. Okay, you do that. I will. Great. I didn't even care. Come back, Palomino Morgan. Come back. Aaron, did you get her? Almost. You mean you didn't get her? You didn't get the beautiful Palomino Morgan? Not exactly. Did you get her or did you not get her? No. Okay, look, I didn't get her. She ran off, okay? Wild horses are really hard to get. I don't know why I want to own one. They're really tough work. Because they need lots and 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 lots of training. Yes, we know, but it was such good fun. But you already own horses. Why do you want another one? They're really hard work. I know, but she's just so cute. Right, I'm going home. Fine, we're just gonna go for a gallop. Okay, that's fine with me. Okay, let's go. I found a shelter. Right. I think there's a store coming. Yikes. Oh, clouds look dark. Anyway, I'm just gonna go in shelter. Ow, my stomach hurts again. Why do I keep on getting these stomach pains? Ow. So sore. Ow.